I have this Malibu, and I had one big crash in the trunk, the part of the bumper and the bumper enforcement. You can see there's a lot of space between the trunk and the bumper. That's the part I need to put out, and I'm gonna use the frame machine. You need to put the clamps in the car to make everything secure so it can work. Like I put 4 clamps and I put one therefore can I start the car. And now I need to put this trunk out. Before I put the new bumper and everything. I'm gonna put the corners out first. I start putting the middle, but it's too hard. I'm gonna try put out and starting the corners, both sides, and I do part step by step. Now if you guys can see, I did put a lot out. The lines almost measure everything. This side is more. The gap is bigger than the other side. Then I put more pressure in this more than the other one. I don't know if you guys can see the bars. It's more pressure than the other side because the gap here is more bigger. And I start to put out. It's a lot of pressure, guys. You really need to be careful with this machine because they make a lot of pressure. Now if you guys can see, the gap is less than before. The other side is almost ready. The gap for the light too is almost good now. I just gonna be more pressure this side now because the other side is good. Now everything is measured. The line is good. I use the old piece where I can measure everything for if I broke something, it's no problem. Now I need to change this piece inside. I wanna check with the new bumper and new trunk because this trunk's not good, and I hope everything is come good. That's it, guys. The part of the frame machine is done. Everything is measured. You guys can see the all lines. Everything is good. That's a new trunk. No pressure. I'm gonna open for you guys see. It's gonna close good. Can you see? The part for the frame machine is done. Now I just need take the piece inside, the big metal is for the frame, and put new bumper, and that's it. Next step now. After I did cut the wall piece, I clean everything. Can you see I sand, clean everything when go the weld. And after clean, I clean the new piece too. And go the welder. Then I put the piece in the place. And I check. It's the same place. I can put one not here. Hold the piece. And if they are all pieces measured, you can just weld. Let's see. I can close these for check. Say close good. Everything's good. Thank you, God. Help me out. That's the Malibu. That's our Senna. Lights measure everything. The color is measured. And I just wanna say in this video, thank you God. The first helped me a lot and protect me for do my job. The number one, I want to say thank you God for everything, and I want to say thank you for my friend Marcelo Macaco. He did help me, he teach me a lot of things too to do. Then that's it guys, thank you for everything.